Hola y saludos del Profe Adams. ¿Cómo están todos hoy? Espero que ustedes estén muy bien. Gramática. Hoy vamos a hablar de los verbos similares al verbo gustar. ¿Te gusta el verbo gustar? A mí me gusta ese verbo. ¿Qué te gusta? El verbo gustar y otros verbos similares. Lesson goals. Review the indirect object pronouns in Spanish. Review the Spanish verb gustar and its uses. Learn other similar Spanish verbs that use the same pattern as the verb gustar. Ante todo, in Lección 2, you learned how to express preferences with gustar. You will now learn more about the verb gustar and other similar verbs. But do you remember how to use gustar? You know that it doesn't behave like most verbs. Take a look. In Spanish, if you say, me gusta ese shampoo, the way you would express this in English is, I like that shampoo. But the literal meaning of this sentence is, that shampoo is pleasing to me. Here's another example, this time in the preterite. In Spanish, if I say, ¿te gustaron las clases? The way you would express this in English is, did you like the classes? But the literal meaning of this sentence is, were the classes pleasing to you? As you can see, constructions with gustar don't have an exact equivalent in English. The literal meaning isn't to like, but rather to be pleasing to someone. So an indirect object pronoun is required. Remember the indirect object pronouns? Let's repeat those. A mí, me. Go ahead, don't be shy. Repeat them. A ti, te. A usted, le. A él, le. A ella, le. A nosotros, nos. A vosotros, os. A ustedes, les. A ellos, les. A ellas, les. Let's study these a little more carefully. In the diagram below, observe how in the Spanish sentence, the object is being liked, ese shampoo, is really the subject of the sentence. The person who likes the object, in turn, is an indirect object because it answers the question to whom is the shampoo pleasing. Other verbs in Spanish are used in a similar way as gustar. Here's a list of the most common ones. Aburrir, encantar, faltar, fascinar, importar, interesar, molestar, quedar. Faltar expresses what is lacking or missing. Me falta una página means I'm missing one page. Quedar expresses how much of something is left. Nos quedan 3 pesos means we have 3 pesos left over. Quedar also means to fit. Estos zapatos me quedan bien means these shoes fit me well. Quedar can also be used to tell someone how something looks on someone. Esa camisa te queda muy bien means that shirt looks good on you. The most commonly used verb forms with gustar and similar verbs are the third person, the él or ellos forms. When the object or person being liked is singular, the singular verb form, gusta, is used. When 2 or more objects or persons are being liked, the plural form, gustan, is used. The following 2 are singular. Nos encanta la película. ¿Te interesó el concierto? These examples use the plural forms. Me importan las vacaciones. Les fascinaron los museos de Lima. To express what someone likes or does not like to do, use an appropriate verb form followed by an infinitive. The singular form is used. Even if there's more than one infinitive, nos molesta comer a las 9. Les encanta bailar y cantar en las fiestas. As you learned in Lesson 2, the construction a plus pronoun, a mí, a ti, a usted, a él, etc., is used to clarify or to emphasize who is being pleased, bored, etc. The construction a plus noun can also be used before the indirect object pronoun to clarify or emphasize who is pleased. Remember that if you want to clarify or emphasize who is pleased, bored, or whatever, you can add a plus noun or a pronoun. A los turistas les gustó mucho Machu Picchu. A ti te gusta cenar en casa, pero a mí me aburre. Atención. The pronoun me has an accent mark to distinguish it from the possessive adjective mi. Hasta la próxima vez con Profe Adams.